Long press the power button for 3 seconds in RC. Wait for the screen to light up successfully. Toggle the rod switch from O to I. The LED lights up to show that it is in the process of powering on. The lights are turned off and the voice prompt. The LED lights up to show initialization successful.
欢迎使用苏乐宝果园机器人。
The indicator lights turn to blue and always on. The remote control is successfully connected to the sprayer. Short press the button of the remote control to unlock the sprayer, and the indicator lights will be green and always on. Slowly push up the left rod to move the sprayer forward. Slowly push down the left rod to move the sprayer backward. Push the right rod left. The sprayer turn to left. And push the right rod to right. The sprayer turn to right. Toggle the rod switch from E to. Long press the power button of the remote control until the shutdown window pops up at the top of the screen. Click on the screen shutdown option. Wait until the screen goes off. The remote control shutdown is complete.